How to find your database hostname on cPanel. This is a step-by-step video so you can go ahead and follow easily. Now once inside your cPanel, you want to head over to the file manager of your website right here. And once inside, you can then go ahead and navigate through the public HTML. From here, you then want to click on the wp-config.php. Go ahead and click on edit, and you will be taken to this page right here. As you can go ahead and see, we have the database username, database password, and more importantly, we have the database hostname. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.